We warmly welcome you to the tutorial, Shop in INOSHOP system, My Employees. Shop in INOSHOP My Employees, what does that mean? The customers approved for the Shop in INOSHOP system can set up purchasing accounts for their employees under their INOSHOP account. This makes the customer account multi-client capable. This includes the following areas for the customer: My settings, set my logo, view my discounts, set up my employees, employee data, employee can order, employee order limit, employee can see prices, make employees active or not active. When is an INOSHOP customer account multi-client capable? The customer is approved for this by Innova tools in the INOSHOP system. How does the customer see that his INOSHOP account is multi-client capable? The customer must register in the INOSHOP with his login data. Then the sub-menu item My Employees is shown under the menu item My Shop. First, customer steps to set up employees. The responsible administrator must change the password of the INOSHOP login the first time My Employees are called up. Only then can set up new employees take place. After clicking on the menu item My Shop, My Employees, the overview page for setup is displayed. This includes the areas, My Settings, Set up new employees and the list employees, Edit, Employees, Orders. Button, My Settings. Here the customer can set or view the following areas. Set my logo. With the Select the Logo button, the customer can select his logo, JPG or PNG. Minimum logo height, 50 pixels. The logo is then displayed next to the Innovatools logo for all employees. My discount groups. The discount groups and the associated articles for each discount group are displayed here. After clicking on an item group number, a window opens with the associated item numbers and discount prices. Article item number discounts or net prices can also be displayed. Button, Set up new employees. Employee data. In the first step, the customer sets up the following. Employee recognition. Here the customer should use his internal employee recognition. First name, family name, first and last name of the employee. Email address, employee's email address. This is also used as username. After that, the data must be saved using the Save button, and further employee information for entry will be displayed. Orders. The next step is to determine whether the employee is allowed to place orders. The data must then be saved using the Save button. Order limit. The order limit for the employee is also set. If the field euro, order limit per order is left empty, no order limit is set for the employee. If a euro amount is entered in the euro, order limit per order field, the order limit is fixed and a valid email address must be entered in the employee email address to confirm when the order limit is exceeded field. A confirmation email, please review your order, with an overview of the order and the release for the order will be sent to this email address. Furthermore, the order can be released and ordered directly in this email, or the order can be deleted. The data must also be saved using the Save button. Prices. In this step, it is determined whether the employee should see discounts or the catalog price. The data must then be saved using the Save button. Send employee login. After all fields have been filled out as requested, the Send employee login button is displayed. The customer must use this to securely send the information about the login data to his employees. If the employee login has not been sent, the employee is displayed in red in the overview list. After sending the data, the employee is displayed in black in the overview list. Until the employee has confirmed the employee login email, the customer will see employee has not yet confirmed login email. How is the customer's employee notified about his INOSHOP account? after the customer has clicked the Send Employee Login button. The employee receives an email with the login link. As soon as the employee clicks on the link, the INOSHOP page opens in the browser, on which the employee can enter their password. After entering the password, the employee can log in and, depending on the setting of the employee data, view or shop the INOSHOP data. As already mentioned, in the case of an order limit, the confirmation email, "Please review your order," must first be confirmed by the authorized person, only then does the confirmation email for the order come. It is also possible that employees can only see the stock levels, but the shopping cart option, order and prices are not shown or are deactivated. Track orders and check. Customers and employees of the customer can view all orders in the INOSHOP. The customer under My Employees, Orders. The customer's employee under My Shop, My Orders. Your portal for purchasing Innova Tools articles. Use this service from Innova Tools and save a lot of time. Thank you and goodbye.